Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore the Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.32. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 23.08%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.92% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which may present an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $17.32 be breached, it will initially indicate a more pronounced decline. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 9.43% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 11.55% to positive 24.74%. Looking at a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 11.40%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 62.82% and positive 137.5% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $6.59 and $42.03. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline: Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price ended at $17.73 on Tuesday, after losing 1.72%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 1.72% on the last day, Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, decreasing from $18.04 to $17.73. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.65%, with a day low at $17.52 and a day high of $18.33. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 5.03% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive sign since volume should align with the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 2 million shares, with a total of 6 million shares bought and sold for approximately $106,500,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 67.57%, or $36.95, below the 52-week high, and 77.66%, or $61.65, below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, has recently garnered attention primarily through a series of significant announcements. On the 30th of June, Trump Media began beta testing its global streaming service, Truth Plus, which aims to diversify its offerings. This progress in media expansion could enhance revenue streams, positioning the company favorably in the competitive streaming market. Additionally, a $400 million stock buyback program was approved, with the potential to reduce shares outstanding by 10%. Such buybacks are generally seen as a bullish signal, indicating confidence from management, and can lead to increased stock prices in the short term as demand rises and supply decreases. However, DJT has experienced notable volatility, recently returning to historical price levels reminiscent of past lows, signaling potential investor concerns. The stock remains down over 45% year-to-date, despite the growing cryptocurrency buzz, particularly in relation to Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. This highlights the market's current skepticism regarding DJT's strategic direction, In the long term, the combination of buybacks and streaming service expansion may enhance investor sentiment if they contribute positively to earnings. However, the stock's performance will largely depend on how effectively Trump Media can capitalize on these initiatives amid a challenging market environment. Investors will be closely monitoring these developments to gauge their impact on DJT's stock trajectory. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group's stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. There are mixed signals regarding the stock today. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock is displaying sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $17.83 and $21.33. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk since volume typically follows price movements. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen 1.9%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal 3 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 23 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 27 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 98 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 93 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $17.40. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when support is tested. This stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 81 cents between its high and low, which represents an increase of 4.65%. During the past week, the stock recorded an average daily volatility of 4.76%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before taking a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $17.40. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May 2025, Eric Swider conducted another insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Additionally, on the 14th of May 2025, Philip Juhan performed another insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 20.385. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals, and we believe it is likely to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 128/10,000ths and start trading at $17.86. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.